What's up guys, welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can easily copy trade on tag markets. All right, step by step. All right, before you get to this particular area, go and watch my video how you can link your XFusion account to tag market so that you can able to get this particular dashboard, so that you can able to copy all these traders, Sonic and NEOFX. All right, so I'm going to show you everything step by step in this particular video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Before you get to this particular area, all what you need to do is to just make sure money is in your account. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and this video just based on educational content only, not for financial advisor. You can do copy trading here. You can also do manual trading yourself, trading Euro USD, GF USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and so on and so forth. So now, how can you copy trade? How can the first thing you need to do, verify and make your deposit? Click on this area and deposit money into your account first. That's the first step. After you successfully click on order, all right, then you click on this. Let's say I want to fund with $250 as an example, $250 as an example. So I'll just click on this next button. All right, you can fund the pen. So I want to use cryptocurrency to fund. All right, I'll now click on this submit. All right, it's very simple and easy strategy. You can fund with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Because I will not show you this, so just make sure to click on this. If you want to fund with Tether, you can click on it. If you want to fund with USD coin, Binance coin, wherever, so just make sure to click on this area and select BEP20. I will not show you that particular address because of security reason. So let me just go and fund that particular account right now. I'll select BEP20 right now. Then I'll fund this particular account right now in front of you. After click on this, let me just do that right now, guys. All right. So right now, the money is being sent successfully to this account. You can see I fund it with just $250. Let me just click on cancel right now. Let me just check. Let me just go back. So let me just refresh this page. Right. Let me just try to refresh. And you see I have about $260 right now for this account. I have like $260 right now. So if you want to copy the trader, how can you copy the professional trader right now on your account? So let me just show you right now real quick. Just scroll down like this. Come to copy X. All right, when you come to this particular area, don't forget copy X, this one. All right, scroll down to the last button, which is copy what? Copy X. This part, no, don't go for this one. No, don't go for this one. Let me just go back to you. This one, copy X. This one, copy X. Don't go for amplifier. This one, copy X. That's the one you need to just go for. So it's, can you see, we have Sonic, we have NEOFX, we have. So if you want to, let's say I want to copy this particular one, NEOFX, it normally trade Euro USD. I'll just click on details. All right, I'll just click on details right now. So I will not try to click on this connect right now. I'll not click on this connect. All right, this is what you need to do. Make sure you put the amount you want to go for. You can write it. Let's say 250. I want to go for 250. Once you put your 250, just make sure to leave this place account type as amplifier. Then there is something here you need to just attach to your account. This community token. You click on this area. You have to just make sure to put it there. It's very important. So all right, let me just go and get the good and let me just put it for you. So on this particular area, you have to just make sure to type in like hash, then new. All right, in this area, then you now click on this verify. Then you need to just make sure to put on this particular area like 60 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to just put like 60 on this area, then click on submit. All right, it's very then you have to just make sure to click on this area like this. As an example, I'll now click on this copy now. You have to just wait for it to load up. So So now they give me total $3,000 balance right now, as my initial balance is 250. So you are going to see your login details here, how you can log into your dashboard. So I was given $3,000 for this strategy right now. So this is the account given to me. All right, so this is account given to me. I'll put in $250. They give me $3,000, which is 12s of my account. So if you want to stop it at the end of the month, or you want to take your part of your profits every single day, just come to this area. All right, then you can see it here, 250 invested. I put in 3,000 balance ROI. So if you want to start checking everything, so if you want to get your details of your account, you can click on stop, you can click on withdraw, you can click on anyone you want to do. So this is how you can stop it. If you want to stop the copy trading here, this is how you can stop it if you want to stop the copy trading. So after 1 month of holding, so it's that simple, and you can copy many trader as much as possible. So it's very, very simple and easy. So that's how you can just copy it on your laptop. So I may do another video for you guys on how you can copy them on your mobile phone. So you can see, you can stop it, you can withdraw, you can deposit more. So it depends on how you want it to go. You can click on deposit to top up. You can do whatever thing you want to do. You can click on this. So depend on you, sure. Then that's how you can click on withdraw. You can do whatever thing you want to do with it. Withdraw profits, we deposit more. All right, eligible in 30 days more. If you want to deposit more, eligible in 30 days. So if you want to withdraw as well, so you can see you can also withdraw your profit, deposit more. So that's how you are going to. This is the stop button if you want to stop it. It's very simple. So you click on dashboard, you are going to see your account showing here. Then your details of MT5. Just scroll down because I don't want to show. I don't want to show you here. Your details of MT5 is this on this area. You can check it out. Then you fund and you start doing your thing. It's that simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe, like and share, and bye for now, guys.